Today, we're diving into one of the most powerful concepts that can completely change your financial life. It's all about how you think about money, something that can either be your greatest asset or your biggest obstacle. And who better to guide us through this than Paula Pant, the incredible voice behind Afford Anything. But before we get into that, I just want to say, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. It means a lot to us, and more importantly, it keeps you in the loop for all our future content on money, personal development, and success. All right, now let's jump in. Paula Pant is known for her revolutionary approach to money management, but it's more than just about budgets and savings goals. Her motto, "You can afford anything but not everything," is a game changer. This way of thinking pushes us to prioritize and deeply reflect on what we value most in life. Money, in her framework, is a tool to achieve freedom, not a destination in itself. Her podcast and blog are packed with advice that challenges conventional thinking about money. Instead of focusing on how much money you can make or how much you should save, she shifts the conversation to how your financial decisions align with your life goals and what truly matters to you. But what does that really mean? Let's break it down, and we'll see why this way of thinking is so transformative. The core idea behind Paula Pant's philosophy is that you have the power to afford anything, but not everything. This concept helps eliminate the stress and overwhelm often associated with money. It's a shift in focus from scarcity to prioritization. Most people think about money in terms of limits. I can't afford this, or I'll never have enough for that. Paula reframes the conversation by asking, what do you truly value? The beauty of this mindset is that it pushes you to focus on what's important to, not society's expectations, not what your friends or neighbors are doing, but what you deeply care about. Once you identify those priorities, you can channel your money towards them rather than feeling like you need to stretch yourself thin across dozens of wants and obligations. This way of thinking empowers you to make more intentional decisions. It's not about depriving yourself, but rather aligning your spending with your values. One of the most liberating aspects of Paula's philosophy is the idea of trade-offs. When you understand that you can't have everything, it becomes easier to make peace with the choices you make. Every decision comes with an opportunity cost. If you spend your money on one thing, that's money you can't spend on something else. And that's okay. The goal is to spend your money on the things that bring you the most fulfillment and happiness. Paula Pant encourages us to ask ourselves critical questions like, what do I want most in life? And what am I willing to give up to get it? For example, maybe you dream of traveling the world, but you also love dining out every weekend. Paula's approach would have you think carefully about your priorities. If travel is a top priority, you might decide to cut back on restaurants and redirect that money towards your travel fund. It's not about giving up everything you enjoy, but making intentional trade-offs that bring you closer to your most important goals. A key component of Paula Pant's philosophy is the idea that money is a tool for freedom. Most people view money as something to accumulate for its own sake, but Paula reminds us that money should serve a larger purpose. It's not the end goal, it's the vehicle that can help you live a more fulfilling life. When you adopt this mindset, financial decisions become clearer. Instead of saving or investing just because that's what you're supposed to do, you start to see those actions as steps towards creating more freedom in your life. Maybe that means saving for an emergency fund so you feel secure. Or maybe it's building up enough passive income streams to quit your 9-to-5 and pursue a passion project. Freedom, in Paula Pant's perspective, is the ability to live life on your own terms. Whether it's time freedom, location freedom, or financial freedom, money should be the resource that gets you there. One of the key lessons from Paula Pant is that flexibility is crucial when it comes to thinking about money. Life is unpredictable, and your financial journey won't always go as planned. That's why it's so important to cultivate a mindset of adaptability. If things change, like an unexpected expense or a drop in income, being flexible allows you to pivot without panic. This mindset shift requires letting go of rigid financial goals and instead adopting a more fluid approach. for instance. Instead of fixating on hitting a specific savings number by a certain date, focus on maintaining the habit of saving and adjusting as needed. As long as you're consistent with your values and priorities, the exact numbers will fall into place over time. Paula Pant emphasizes that flexibility doesn't mean a lack of discipline. It means being willing to reassess your priorities and adjust your strategies when necessary. This adaptability is crucial for long-term success, and it helps to build a healthy relationship with money, where it becomes a tool rather than a source of stress. One of the most actionable pieces of advice from Paula Pant is her 1% rule for financial growth. The idea is simple. Strive to improve your financial situation by 1% at a time. This approach keeps you from feeling overwhelmed and helps you stay consistent. Whether it's saving an extra 1% of your income, cutting down your expenses by 1%, or increasing your income by 1%, these small changes add up over time. This incremental mindset also applies to learning. Paula encourages ongoing financial education, even if it's just dedicating 1% of your time to learning something new about money each week. Over the years, these small efforts compound, leading to significant improvements in your financial health. A crucial component of Paula Pant's philosophy is shifting from a scarcity mindset to an abundance mindset. In a scarcity mindset, you constantly feel like there's not enough, whether it's money, time, or resources. This can lead to anxiety, fear-based decision-making, and a sense of lack in your life. By contrast, an abundance mindset recognizes that opportunities are plentiful and that there's enough to go around. This doesn't mean being reckless or overly optimistic. It means having confidence that with smart decisions and perseverance, you can create the life you want. Paula teaches that when you approach money with an abundance mindset, you stop focusing on what you don't have and start working towards what you can build. Paula Pant's approach to money isn't just about theory. It's about taking action. She encourages her audience to focus on small, consistent wins rather than waiting for a big breakthrough. Whether it's setting aside just a small percentage of your income for savings or investing a small amount regularly, consistency over time is what leads to lasting financial success. Too often people get stuck in analysis paralysis, overthinking their financial decisions and never actually taking action. Paula advocates starting small and building momentum. Each step, no matter how small, brings you closer to financial freedom. The key is to start now and stay consistent. In conclusion, the most powerful way to think about money, according to Paula Pant, is to view it as a tool that allows you to live life according to your values. By focusing on prioritization, trade-offs, and flexibility, you can align your financial decisions with the things that matter most to you. Paula's approach encourages us to stop thinking about money as a source of stress or limitation, and instead see it as a resource for creating freedom and opportunities. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to optimize your existing strategies, her philosophy offers a refreshing, empowering way to think about money. Thanks for sticking around. If this mindset shift resonated with you, make sure to hit the subscribe button and join our community. We've got tons of content to help you build a healthier, more empowered relationship with your finances. It means a lot to us, and we can't wait to see you in the next video.